Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am so sorry for the long hiatus, but I'm back and better than ever. For today's video, we are going to be doing a Target haul of everything I got recently and putting all that in my face. Yeah. Anyways, let's get on with the video. So before we get on with the video, I just want to say, yes, I am missing 2 nails. And yes, I got a mic because my videos are 10 times better this way, so you guys can hear me. And I do have to hold it or else you can't hear anything. Here is my Target bag filled with goodies. Gonna go about a routine and talk about where I've been all this time. So I just moisturized with my e.l.f. Active Hydration Stick. Then I'm going in with the new NYX Professional Marshmallow Primer. Right off the bat, it smells really good. It smells like marshmallows, and my skin feels really soft. Bumps on my skin feels like it disappeared, like it's not even there. For foundation, we're going in with the new e.l.f. Camo CC Cream. This is all the rave right now, and I just want to see how well it works. And it claims to be color correcting, full coverage, and natural finish. And I got it in the shade Light 280N. We are not going to talk about how big my forehead is because I know it's big. And I'm going to be concealing and highlighting the proper areas before foundation. Where have I been this last year? I think the last video was posted on July. Took a break from YouTube mainly because I wanted to focus on one platform at a time. I focused on TikTok. It did help a lot because I did grow. I started TikTok right around end of July, early August. Yeah, I've grown so much over the last in that period of time. So I just wanted to devote most of my content there, and it did help me as an artist, mainly because I've grown out of my creative shell and actually ventured out into creating different looks because I really wanted to step up my game. I'm going in with the foundation now. So I am applying that with a foundation brush, and right off the bat it's definitely full coverage. I definitely did grow a lot as a content creator. At this point, now I know that I am ready for YouTube. So TikTok did help me grow a little bit of my courage and confidence because now I'm able to talk to the camera a little bit better than before. After blending all of that in, I take my Fit Me Loose powder and take my foundation brush and just lightly dab it all over the skin. My face looks like a filter. Wow! After I've set everything with powder, I do go in with a setting spray, and I got 2 new setting sprays at Target. One is the Make It Last 16-hour setting spray and from Milani, and the other one is the Wet n Wild Natural Finish setting spray. So now that I'm all bronzed up and blushed, today I wanted to do a baddie look. We're gonna go in with a black smoky eye with this metallic green liquid metallic eyeshadow in Aurora from e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is a new one. Oh my god, you guys don't know how much I love these liquid glitter shadows from e.l.f. I have like 10 of them. I have to have everything. Oh, they're just so good. So this is where we're at in the eye makeup. I just did like a smoky eye that goes all the way up to almost my temple. Added some bedazzles, and going in with any matte black shadow, we're just gonna go in and create this winged effect. And to do that, you're gonna need a medium shadow brush, and we're just gonna go in and pack that pigment all over our lid. To find the shape of the wing, look straight into a mirror. The end of your bottom lid is at. So find that point and kind of create a guide. So right there. So we're gonna start smoking it out and create like a winged liner effect. Just going to go in to the lid. So after you've created that wing effect, we're gonna go into the actual lid and just dragging it out. So from the end of the wing all the way inside, creating a sort of triangle shape like that. I also took the color all the way to the inner corner right here. I didn't know that my mic was cut off the whole time. I just smoked out the wing to the lower lash line. I tightlined with the satin eyeliner pencil from e.l.f. and I went in with the metal shadow as well on the cut crease. So now I'm going to add the bling off camera because that takes way too long. So I will be back. Hello, I am back and the gems are on. I also added lashes. These are lashes that I got from Amazon. It comes in a pack of 10. I also wanted to rave about these gemstones because I also got these from Amazon. They were $11. There's 2,400 gems and they come in these little cases. You get like all of these colors and you also get iridescent ones and the regular silver ones in different sizes, and you also get this pen which makes applying the gemstones a lot easier. So you guys should really check out Amazon. Some really good quality beauty products. Back to the Target haul. I also got Nourishing Lip Plumper from Milani in this color Soft Rose. The Toasted Truffle Matte. I'm going to be taking the e.l.f. Retro Paradise lip liner in this color. Not sure which one it is because there is no shade. And I'm just going to line my lips. Taking the Super Stay 24 color in Loaded Latte. I'm taking the color side first and applying it. Taking the lip liner again and just going over the lipstick. So right off the bat, it's already really sticky, but it is dry. No transfer. The lipstick is already working. The only color that transferred was definitely my lip line. This feels kind of nice. I quite like it. So this is the final look, and I hope you guys like it. This also concludes my little Target haul. Like, share, and comment what you guys want to see next. Bye. Hello, 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 hello. Am I in the middle? Is this the middle? God. Hello. Welcome back to my channel. Oh God. So awkward. Hello friends, family, loyal confidant, my future self. Welcome back to my channel.